Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Jamil. So let's see where market can move and how we can plan for tomorrow. Last time we have discussed if anything gap down, we are going to see a volatile market. You can see here it's a completely on a volatile stage after opening the gap down. No doubt he's tried to closing on a higher side, slow and steady, but middle of the point it's completely on confusing stage. The logic behind it. Last time it's on W pattern. We discussed this W pattern going to be important support for the market. W pattern is the sign that market going to be the reversal of the trend. It was previous time on a downtrend. The moment he is trying to making a W pattern, it's initial sign that market going to reversal the trend. So in future, if it is in gap down, this range going to be act as a support for the market. Definitely after gap down, you can see here seller try to sell here, no doubt, but immediately market going to reversal from here. So that's the reason we discuss we are going to see a volatile market on that stage when market going to open gap down. So right now and today market tried to closing on a higher side, which is very good upside momentum today we saw here. And the good things market already test above 12,000. 12,000 another round level, important level for the market. But this 12,000 already tested multiple time in previous time. You can see here multiple time has been tested this range 1, 2, 3, almost 4 times this range has been tested on here. So for us it is not going to be important for as a resistance. So what should be the plan for tomorrow? Anything flat opening which is near 11,980 70 after opening in flat range, as soon as it cross 12,000 we can plan it to buy for tomorrow, and the target going to be 1:2. But as a resistance we can see here 12,200 going to be initial resistance for the market, because you can see here last swing is just here last swing you can see here 12,200 was act as a support for the market. The moment is break, first time he going on that range, so no doubt this is going to be act as a resistance for the market. So the plan for us after opening flat, as soon as it cross 12,000 we can plan to buy for tomorrow, and 1:2 going to be our target. In this condition, in this positive closing, if anything gap down, then 11,800 going to be very important support for the market. Buyer, you can see here it's a breakout, take the support, then he closing on a higher side. So this range is going to be important support for the market. Buyer do not want it to close any candle below this range. Even if anything gap down, buyer try to protect this range. If seller able to close anything below this range, we can see the downfall again, and this downfall might be the negative scenario for the market once again. And this range 11,600, 11,500, 700 going to be as a support for the market. But the good things, after flat we can plan to buy, and anything directly gap down which is 11,800, near on 11,800, that's a confusing stage, because it's on buyer range. You can see here each and every time seller try to sell, market has been bounced back again. Seller try to sell, it's been bounced back. Each and every bounce back, market start to making a new high on the upside. So this, if anything gap down unexpectedly, this is going to be a confusing stage for the market. But I would prefer to sell for, if anything gap down and it start to closing 11,800, I would prefer to sell for first. Then this is going to be my first target 11,600, because initially if anything gap down, that's a negative market, so definitely it will slowly start try to go on the downside. But as for now, price looking very good. We are prefer to going to buy for tomorrow after flat 11,900, 11,970, 80 opening flat, and as soon as it cross 1230 should be our buying first, and 1:2 going to be our target. So I hope you understand the point, friends. This is for a Nasdaq. So let's see how we can trade for S&P 500. S&P 500. Similar analysis, similar chart pattern for the Nasdaq, S&P 500 also. 4,000 has been tested multiple times, as also as today you can see here is respect, and is trying to retracement. So that's a positive momentum for us. After opening flat, this range we should consider as a flat 3,980, 70, 75. This is going to be flat range. After opening flat, as soon as it cross 4,000 we can planning to buy for tomorrow, and 4,4050 going to be, there is a small pending gap was pending. So target should be the first on that range, and 10 to 15 points should be our first SL. Planning SL, as soon as it cross we can planning to buy for tomorrow, and 1:2 going to be our target, and 3,950 going to be important support for the market. If any 50 minute candle closing below this range, that's a panic scenario. That's another volatility going to be on the market for tomorrow. If anything closing below this range, any candle closing, that's a panic scenario. That's a panic or volatile. Maybe that's a panic or volatile market for tomorrow. So after opening flat, as long as it cross 4,000, let the market close 4,000. As long as it cross 4,000, then we can planning to buy. So I hope we understand the point, friends. So let's see which stock we can planning to trade for tomorrow. First stock going to be a Chevron Corporation. It's on all-time high, but you can see here resistance level has been tested multiple times. So that means buyer are aggressive on here. No doubt it's a little risky trade because the moment market trying to crossing all-time high, it's already buyer already on the profit. So we are not going to plan aggressively buy. 2 to 3 quantity we can planning to buy for tomorrow. 176 going to be our buying target. As soon as it cross 176, we can planning to buy. $2 going to be our stop loss, and 1:2 going to be our target. It's on all-time high, no doubt, but it's a risky trade. I'm again saying, but planning to trade with small quantity. Let the market cross 176. As soon as it cross, we can plan to buy. $2 compulsory to the risk to the stop loss, and 1:2 going to be our target. This is risk to reward ratio, friends. First going to be our Chevron Corporation. Second stock going to be the Microsoft. It's also for the buying for tomorrow. You can see here it's a downtrend. First pullback, then seller try to sell again, then buyer sustaining on the higher side. So no doubt 263 going to be our buying price. You can see here is just chart pattern going to be flat here, so chances are very high. 1 2 3 multiple time already tested this resistance level. So also, and today is the day this resistance level already closed on the higher side. So 263, as soon as it cross, we can plan to buy for tomorrow, and 1:2 going to be our target. $2 going to be our stop loss. Remember, stop loss is compulsory in the market, and money management to maintain to the market, friends. So I hope you understand the point, and if you understand, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, friends. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you, and thank you very much.